In this video, we will show you the fully automatic sorting process of resin injection molded parts. Our masters are skillfully dismantling injection molded parts with ultrasonic technology. This critical step ensures the smooth separation of each part and lays a solid foundation for subsequent processing. Then drop the disassembled injection molded parts into the automatic sorting machine. Through the preset procedures, 3 completely different injection molded parts are efficiently sorted under the ingenious operation of the machine without manual intervention. MIHOX has been committed to helping customers to process figures to ensure that every step reaches an excellent standard, whether it is exquisite craftsmanship or efficient automation system. MIHOX provides you with the best figure manufacturing solutions.